application dedicated to field workers focused on the management and control of the guards. It allows to read NFC points or QR code in order to control by the system the execution of the patrol, as well as to confirm the service at the site. It is also possible to take a photo and send it to the operator if the person found irregularities in the path of the rounds. The guard also has the ability to make a call directly from the application. The module is designed to run on an Android device. In the first block, we want to show logging into the mGuard app. The application has two login modes, which allow you to run it in either simple or advanced mode. In simple mode, you can use the app without logging in. Just open it to scan a QR code or read NFC based on your settings. You can make a call to a monitoring station contact, use the alarm button which activates SOS alarm, and send a photo directly to the system. When it comes to an advanced mode, you need to log in, and in addition to the basic functions which are available, in simple mode, it is also possible to use more features like report incidents and preview account data and view details of scheduled routes. In order to select either the basic or advanced option, you should first navigate to the menu located at the top left corner of your screen. You will find both basic and advanced choices listed. Simply click on your preferred option to proceed with your selection. Also, it is worth to mention that in the mGuard application, there is also a possibility to use biometric login options. Moreover, efficient logging of users can be achieved by downloading the configuration from the Tools console by scanning the QR code with the mGuard option, Load Settings from QR code in Config tab. This process is straightforward and can be completed swiftly with minimal effort. In the second block, we want to demonstrate possibilities of basic mode in mGuard app. To scan a QR or NFC code in the mGuard app, simply press the button and scan the code. It will then be sent to the Alice system. Connecting to a defined contact is quick and easy. Simply select the phone icon and make a call to the monitoring center. Easy access to the monitoring center number in order to make a phone call. Another attractive feature is the large red alarm button, which, when pressed quickly and effectively, activates the alarm in the system. Of course, if the user clicks it by mistake, they can cancel it within 3 seconds with the X sign. In the basic version of the mGuard app, now you can also easily transfer photos to the Alice system with a single button. Just with one slide, select the gallery or camera icon and send a photo with a description, if needed, directly to the Alice system. Now, in the third part, we would like to present to you an advanced mode in mGuard application. After logging into the advanced mode of the mGuard application, select the account assigned to the guard. To do this, you can also use the QR code or NFC of the account after setting it up in the Alice system. Once you have selected the account and confirmed that work can start, the main window of the application will be displayed in advanced mode. Once logged into the account, incidents can be managed. Issues are designed to be reported directly to the Alice to the monitoring console, along with photos from the phone gallery or pictures taken at the time of the incident. These include alarm incidents, information incidents, and the red bell with SOS emergency. It's all visible on the main screen. Next great feature are the routes. They enable to display the defined paths for devices at a selected facility. It is also possible to access information about current planned routes, including the points they contain and their location on the facility plan, all together with the schemes. If an active route is required for a patrol, the guard just needs to scan the selected NFC or QR code. Additionally, in advanced mode, you have the option to call the operator's numbers assigned in the monitoring station. You can do this by sliding the list apart and selecting the phone icon, where you can easily see contacts and make phone calls to selected people. In advanced mode, there is also a feature called the procedures. It helps the guard ensure that the patrol has been done correctly. After scanning a selected point, the previously configured procedures are displayed. In the fourth part of our tutorial, we will take a closer look at the photos sending options in mGuard application. As earlier mentioned, from the mGuard app, you can send directly photos and pictures by clicking camera or gallery icon, as well as from basic mode and advanced mode incidents and routes. For instance, sending a fire alert and including pictures of the incident can help emergency responders understand the situation more clearly and act accordingly. They will automatically appear in the monitoring console on an alarm under the latest multimedia right away. These photos and pictures can also be found in the Summaries tab at the top of the console in the section Multimedia Files Summary. View all multimedia files together in one place. Fantastic. That is all for now. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please discover other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel and remember to subscribe.